How to stop background apps running on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can stop background apps running on Android. For this, open up your settings, scroll down and tap on the About Phone option. Now, you want to tap on the Software Information option. Here, find the option of Build Number and tap on it a couple of times until the developer mode has been enabled. Once developer mode has been enabled, go ahead and tap on that option. Now you want to look for the option of running services, tap on that. You're going to find different apps that is running in your background at the moment. If you want to stop any one of that, then all you want to do is tap on that option and you're going to find stop over here. Go ahead and tap on that. And with this, you will be able to stop the background apps running on Android. You can do this for any other applications as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.